the Baofeng UV-5R Mini. These radios can do a lot more than just receive and transmit your voice. You can do email on these, you can send text messages with these, but you're going to need some devices to make these do that. And today, we're going to compare two. One a little bit less expensive, one a little bit more expensive. Let's stick around. We're going to find out which one is winner and which one's a loser. First item that we're going to be comparing is by BTECH, and this is called the K1 Pro. One end, USB-C, and the other end, K-plug. As of the current filming of this is coming in right around $35. Our next runner-up is the Mobilinkd TNC4, currently around $150, plus whatever the cables cost for the devices that you want to hook up to this. So let's go over to the bench. I'm going to show you how these hook up. Okay, before we hit the bench real quick, APRS stands for Automatic Packet Reporting System. Big misconception. A lot of people think that it's just for tracking, and it is not. In the description, I will leave some links for some different things that you can actually do with APRS, such as tracking the International Space Station if you want to do satellite communications with that. You could do weather, text somebody from your radio through the APRS system. Winlink. Winlink is an email service that is for ham radio operator. What's nice about this is that you can do this locally using VHF frequencies. You can also do it through HF, through the high frequencies that we use in the ham bands. There are several different gateways to get into the system. Another tip about Winlink, you don't want to send very lengthy or high graphic content attachments. It takes a very long time to download, so I don't suggest doing that if you don't have to. All right, to the bench. We got the Baofeng UV-5R. You're also going to need either a tablet or a smartphone. You see, we're going to plug in the K connector. You want to make sure that's in pretty good and tight. Actually give it a little shove extra. And then it just plugs right into your tablet or your smartphone. And you also want to make sure that you download the APRS Droid app. Now, for the Mobilinkd TNC4, another pretty easy operation. So you want to have your cable ready for whatever device you're going to use. And you're going to go ahead and plug it in, just like the K1 adapter, and then plug it into the TNC4. Now, this is a little 3D case that I printed, and what's nice about this is it helps protect the button from getting pushed on accident. And with the Mobilinkd strap, it all comes together in one nice little package. So here is the setup for the antenna. I have it going outside the vehicle. Back up here so you can kind of see. Betty White, so I call that. The reason why is because if you try to transmit inside your vehicle, especially with an HT, you may not be able to get out because of all the electronics and everything else. On this, I've got a signal stick to a BNC connector, and then it's just got a wire that runs in there that I have an adapter for the HT to a BNC. And then this is that wire from the antenna running on to the HT. So that's why, because of, all that crazy stuff that's in your vehicle. Okay, so we are here at a spot where I know I could get into the Winlink gateway. So for the first test that we're going to do here, I'm going to be using the TNC4 into the Baofeng UV-5R Mini. And this is so that I can patch into the Winlink gateway local to me here. Try to record as much as I can to show you guys. Okay, so we're going to open up the Mobilinkd app here. You're going to go ahead and press the little button on the Mobilinkd, one button on there. So we're going to tap that. Okay, so it says that we are connected, and on the Mobilinkd, it's actually blinking blue. So I'm also going to go ahead and set the input setting, and it says to just hit the red element. I kind of did that by just going on the volume knob on the UV-5R Mini. Hit close. Just going to leave that all the same. Let's see, power settings. I'm not really going to worry about that right now. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the Winlink On Demand or the WOD app. Now, I already have some emails to go out for Winlink Wednesday. I'm going to go up to settings, and I believe I have to change. I'm going to go to sessions. I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to name this, and I'm going to go ahead and just put the date in for the session. Okay. I'm going to double check my address here, my RMS gateway. For some reason, it's coming up on the bottom here, but that's the one that I want to use. K9KRO. I'm going to go to TNC type. I'm going to try, this is a KISS setting, and I'm going to go down to connection type. It's going to be Bluetooth. And our device is going to be BTNC4 Mobilinkd. And we already got all that. So I'm going to hit back. I should be all set. I'm just going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to go back to sessions. Sessions again. I hit start, and as we can see here, load is exchanging. It gives you a little thing on the bottom there. It says sending and gives you the percentages. All right, we'll see you in a second. Let's see what we get.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so it looks like everything went through. I'm going to go ahead and hit inbox, and looks like I got something from my dad. And it says hopefully it went through. That's funny. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this for a minute, and I'm going to go ahead and make a couple more emails, and then I'm going to switch over to the BTECH K1 Pro connector. And let's see how that works on Winlink. I'm not going to waste your guys' time. The BTECH K1 Pro did not work with Winlink. I tried several different times, no go. Now, in the instructions for this, and even on the back of this, it even says APRS. My hopes weren't up very high. I just thought maybe I could get it to work with Winlink. No, didn't happen. Okay, back to it. Okay, so the first one we got up here is the Mobilinkd UV-5R Mini, and we're going to do this on APRS Droid. Stand by. All right, so UV-5R Mini, the Mobilinkd, we got through on APRS pretty easy using APRS Droid. You see we got a text message in and out, and we also sent a message to WeatherBot, which it responded. So let's try the BTECH K1 Pro. Stand by. All right, so we got UV-5R Mini hooked up to the K1 Pro going into my phone. We'll start recording and see if this goes out on APRS. Stand by. Okay, so using the UV-5R Mini along with the phone K1 Pro there, we were able to get out, but I did have some difficulties, which it may be antenna. I didn't switch to my signal stick, but I was able to get out on some of the text messages. I kind of had to hold it up and away and out like an old cell phone. All right, so final thoughts coming up. Between the two, the BTECH K1 Pro and the Mobilinkd TNC4, which one do I think is the winner? The Mobilinkd TNC4. But I want to throw something at you to think about. I do like the Mobilinkd TNC4. I think this gives a lot of older radios, or maybe radios that you wouldn't think to do APRS or Winlink on, well, it gives you that option, and I like that. And if you have an Apple product, this works with it pretty well. But this is $150. And that's where this comes in. This is the BTECH UV Pro. I think at the time that I got this, it was around 160, maybe 155 bucks. This does everything that this does. And this is IP67 rated. It's durable. Plus, wirelessly through the Bluetooth with this. You're going to have to use wires with this to connect into your radio. This has the TNC built in. So in other words, you can just use this to hook into your phone or your tablet And guess what? You could do APRS, you could do Winlink, no problem. So does this still have something to do in ham radio? It does. If you have something like, let's say, the Yaesu VX6, or you have something like the ICOM ICT-10, two pretty rugged HTs, you can still use those with this to do APRS and Winlink. So it does still have a place. And it did win this test. All right, everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'm Brian, KC9 USB, the HAM-DALORIAN. And this is the way that we do ham radio. You didn't think I'd let that go, did you? 73, everybody.